am Nidashna and my friends of grade 8 are here to proudly celebrate the day of Sir C.V.RAMAN. Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman was an Indian physicist known for his work in the field of light scattering. He was born on 7th November 1888 at Tiruchirappalli. His father was a lecturer in physics and mathematics. He loved science but saw few career opportunities for a scientist in India. So, he took Financial Civil Service exam and went to work for government as an assistant accountant general. But he didn't give up science. He also became as a good lecturer, offering popular science lectures to the public. In 1917, Raman was offered to the Palit Chair of Physics at Calcutta University and finally able to devote himself full-time to science. After this, on a boat trip back from England in 1921, Sir C.V.RAMAN, considering the question why the sea is blue, started on the line to the research that would lead to the discovery in February 1928 of a new scattering effect, now known as Raman effect, which was important in physics and chemistry. After this experiment, he achieved many awards such as Bharat Ratna, Nobel Prize in Physics, Franklin Medal and Lenin Peace Prize, etc. Finally, his soul entered this earth on 21st November 1970 at Bangalore. Thank you. Now my friends Hasni and Jaivarni will come and demonstrate about the experiment of dispersion of light.
When a white light is incident on a prism, it gets refracted at first. Light ray bends at two different points in the prism. Angle of refraction is different for different colors. The separation of white light split into 7 different colors is called dispersion of light. The lines whose frequencies have been modified in the Raman effect are called Raman lines. The lines having frequencies lower than the incident frequency are called Stokes lines, and the lines having frequencies higher than the incident frequency are called anti-Stokes lines.
When a light beam is passing through the substance, the light is deflected by the molecule of the substance. It means that the particle of the substance absorb photons of light energy and subsequently emit light. In this process, the light coming out of the substance will have the exact energy and as that of the incident light. Therefore, there is no energy loss. This is called the Rayleigh scattering of light. But Sir C.V.RAMAN observed a very little volume of scattered light, has a slightly different wavelength compared to the incident light wavelength. This change in wavelength of light beam is called as Raman's effect.
Hello friends, now I am going to demonstrate the scattering of light. Now we have 2 beakers on the table. One contains water, another contains Dettol solution. Now I have a laser light in my hand. Now let's pass the laser beam through water. What do you observe? The particles of water are so small, so the light is not scattered. Now let's check with Dettol solution. Now let's pass the laser beam through Dettol solution. What do you observe? The particles of Dettol solution are comparatively so big, so the light is scattering. The light which is passing through the liquid and also can seen by us is called scattering of light.